Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about the recruitment. Recruitment, placing the right person in right place at the right time. Vacancy is known in two situations. An employee leave and there is a vacancy created. Or the second one is the if we are going to business growth. Means we are expanding our business or we are expanding our companies and other phases. The vacancy is intimated to the HR department by the concerned technical departments or any other development departments. Recruitment is the process of seeking and attracting possible candidate. Recruitment is the process of seeking and attracting the prospective candidates against a vacancy in an organization. According to Edwin Filippo, recruitment is the process of searching for the prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for the job in an organization. Recruitment is the process of getting the right kind of people to apply for the vacancy in an organization. Recruitment policy. The recruitment policy of an organization would normally be in line with the objectives and policies of an organization. It lays down the objectives of the recruitment and the channels and the sources of recruitment. The recruitment policy is concerned with the quantity and qualification of the manpower, and it's also established the broad guidelines for the staffing process. Process of recruitment. HR planning identify the HR requirements, determine the numbers, levels, criticals of the vacancies. Level means the positions. It can be the senior level, junior level, or top level. Choosing the sources of method of the recruitment, sources like the internal sources or external sources of the recruitment. Analyzing the cost and time involved. There is an analysis of the what is the cost is coming over there for the recruitment. Start implementation of the recruitment program. Select and hire the candidates. Evaluate the program. After completing this process, the management must be required to calculate the cost of recruitment. Sources of recruitment. Different sources of recruitment can be employed depending on the various factors like the level of the positions, number peoples required, time available, and the fund allocated for the recruitment. We can differentiate the sources of recruitment in two parts: internal sources and external sources. Internal sources. Many organizations try and identify the employees from within the organizations to be grooming to take on the higher responsibilities. The human resource inventory and outcome of the human resource planning from the basis of internal search. External search. An organization will have a greater choice to human resource if it decided to go in external recruitment. There are the various methods of the recruitment from external sources. Some of the popular methods are advertisements, campus recruitment, social medias, employee referrals, employments exchange, private placement agencies, and job portals. Selection. Selection is the process of identifying an individuals from a pool of the job applicants with the requisite qualification and competencies to fill the job in the organization. This is an HR process that helps differentiate between the qualified and unqualified applicants by applying the various techniques. Different between the recruitment and selection. Recruitment is defined as a process of identifying and making the potential candidate to apply for the job, where selection is differentiated as a process of choosing the right candidate for the vacant position. Recruitment is called as a positive process with its approach of attracting as many candidates as possible for the vacant position. Selection is called as a negative process with its elimination or rejection as many candidates as possible for identifying the right candidate for the position. Please like and subscribe for the next video. Thanks.